Hello, boys and girls. Today we listened to a story called Annie's Pet. And in the book, Annie had 5 birthday dollars and she was looking for a pet. One of the pets in the book the lady had was a bird that was sitting in her bird cage. So today we're gonna make a bird as a pet. What you're gonna need for this activity is your bird cutout page that looks like this, your glue bottle, and you're also just going to need half of a paper plate. This is going to be our bird's nest. Before you get started, you're gonna have to go outside and collect some things. Kendra went outside earlier and she collected some sticks, not too big, not too small, and Leon collected a bunch of leaves to put onto his nest, because birds use lots of things around them that they can find in nature to build a safe home for them. So let's build a nice, safe nest home for our bird today. Are you ready? Okay, grab your materials and bring them back to the table and let's get started. Since we're using materials that are a little bit bigger, you're gonna wanna put the glue onto your plate, just like Kendra doing, and then you can stick all the different pieces on to make your nest. Once you are done making your bird's nest, you can set it off to the side to dry, and then you can work on coloring and decorating your birds to live in that nest.
So am I done?
There are so many different kinds of birds that you can make, so go ahead and use markers or crayons to decorate and color your bird. And then if you have extra things like feathers that you want to put on there, or even a sticker eyeball maybe, then you can add those things at the very end. So just use your creativity, imagination, and create any kind of bird you want to live inside of your nest. Once you're done decorating your bird, go ahead and cut it out on the little line all the way around your bird, and then you can glue it on to the top of your nest. Thank you so much for doing art with us today and making a bird's nest and a bird today. We hope you guys enjoyed this activity, and we'll see you next time. Bye.